Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to your Value Education class, Standard 2nd A. Today we will do second chapter, Life Grows. In previous chapter, we have learned about living and non-living things. Now in this chapter, we will see how life goes. Life grows, how living things grow. Let's begin. I am growing. I am growing. I am growing there. I am growing everywhere. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I am growing every day. See here, you can see these pictures. In your book, the picture of a seed, when we sow a seed, it becomes a little plant. After sowing seeds, it becomes a little plant and then become little big plant and slowly become a big tree. In the same way, human beings, we in the first baby, we are in a small babies, and then little boy, and then becomes a man, then old man. So in the same way, all living beings grows. Is it? They begin from smaller and become a big. Living things in first stage means living stage. First living stage is smaller. In smaller stage, we are weak. We can't jump, we can't talk, we can't dance, anything we can't. Means we have weaker strength. When slowly, gradually we grow, become a stronger. When as we grow, become stronger and stronger. And again old age, we become a weaker. And this is the life cycle of our living things. Next, here say, my story of growth. The things I could not do when I was baby. What we could not do here when we are in small stage, I could not do talking, jumping, walking. Okay. Next, the things I could do when I grew a little older. Dancing, speaking, jumping, walking. Means here small stage we can't do anything. Talking we can't. We couldn't do talking, jumping, walking. And I could do when we grow bigger. Dancing, speaking, jumping, walking we can do. Now I am a taller and heavier than before, and so I can jump, dance, speak, walk, talk and speak. Okay. Next, it's time to do exercise here, the given exercise. Remember, it is not enough if we just grow. We also need to grow strong, healthy, beautiful and useful too. See here, they are given one exercise. According to that, we have to solve. The words in the puzzle will help you to grow. Which kind of words will it help to our grow? Let's find. Find these words by circling them in a red and complete the exercise by filling the blanks. We have to encircle the growing words and we have to fill in these blanks. Okay, let's start. See here, the first they have given, take a dash every day. Take a dash every day. The answer is take a bath every day. Take a bath every day. Encircle in this puzzle. You will find the bath word, B-A-T-H, bath. Is it? Next question, eat nutritious food. To keep healthy, which would we have to take? Nutritious means healthy food. You will see in this puzzle food word. See, here it is food. Encircle this word with the red ink. Do regular exercise. Exercise. Encircle here the word exercise. Be dash to all living things. Be kind to all living things. Kind. Find out the kind word. See it here. Kind. Next, keep our surroundings clean. Clean. Encircle here. Clean word. Show your dash and dash to all creatures. Love and care. Love and care. Find out the word love and care here in this. Here care it is and love. These are the words which help us to strong, health, beautiful and useful for growing. Okay. Now we pray to God, be silent and read silently. We should thank God for everything has He given you. Let us start our prayer. Oh God, I thank you for my growth. You help me to grow every day. I thank you for providing me with all that I need for my health growth. Help me always to respect life in plants, animals and human beings. After should always remember healthy growth. We should always remember thank God for healthy growth has He given. We should always thank life in plants. We always respect life in plants, animals and human beings. Then we get the moral of the story in this chapter. We should always remember every living object grows. Growth means life. Life is precious. Every living object grows. Growth means life. Life is precious. The moral of the story. We always take care of our life in plants, animals, human beings. We should always thank God for beautiful growth has He given. Dear students, we should always thank God for a beautiful growth has He given us. And this is the moral of this second chapter. Thank you.